You versus the rules of grammar. You, like most people, were taught grammar in the most confusing way possible. Your language arts teacher used an ancient book of grammar filled with confusing rules and terms. Those rules have been passed down from teacher to teacher to teacher. Although, not all grammar books were successfully passed along. These rules were presented to you over the course of a few days or weeks. Perhaps you got to diagram some sentences, or identify clauses, participles, and dangling modifiers. From then on, you were expected to use perfect grammar in your writing. But if you were like most people, it was confusing and you just didn't get it. So you do your best and hope that people won't notice any mistakes. There is a better way. Write A+ Papers is the easy way to learn the basics of grammar. 7 easy lessons will help you improve your writing in just a couple of hours. Write A+ Papers uses the sentence identification method, which was specifically developed to help struggling students. You see, there are only 4 types of sentences. Once you can identify them, then punctuating them is easy. With Write A+ Papers, you gain confidence in your writing skills. Your writing becomes richer, because you are better able to focus on your ideas and not how to punctuate them. So if you're a beginner, struggling student, parent, or just want to improve your writing skills, buy Write A+ Papers now and start writing with confidence.